Touchdown, Ho Chi Minh City. Everyone, it is March 22 at 2:18 p.m. I am already touchdown Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. It's gonna be my first day here. It's already 3:54 p.m. and I just got out from this airport, Tan Son Nhat Airport. And when you get out from the arrival, you will go to the immigration line for about an hour. So just expect there will be a lot of people lining up for an hour. When I got out from an hour, I went to this ATM. There's an ATM there behind the PIDB. So I withdrew 1 million and there's a fee of 50 pesos. Today is day 2 in Ho Chi Minh City. It is March 23 at 12:46 p.m. I am on my way to grab something to eat. This is what I have for brunch. We have fried chicken and spring roll. Walking through the streets of Ho Chi Minh. Already 3 p.m. Hop off bus for this afternoon's ganap.